So I'm under the van trying to work out this shower overflow. It's a fucking pain in the ass. It's freezing cold. I can't get it to work properly. I've got this hose here covered in silicone, which is sticky as shit. The pipe's too stiff because it's freezing cold. I'll be dipping it in hot water here. Then I spilt the water, so now I'm lying in the fucking wet ground trying to do this fucking thing. And I cut the pipe too short. The whole thing's a fucking pain in the ass. So I'm out of the cold now, and the inside of this shower looks like this. So you can see the shower base is in here. The lowest point of the shower base comes out in the corner into this pipe outside and onto the grass, but really not happy with it. It'll work, but it's a bit more messy than I'd hoped, but it was so awkward. It was such a fucking nuisance. Completely sick of this whole thing. I'll leave in a week, so it'll be finished, but it's a fucking pain in the ass. If you're going to build a van out, well, I don't know. I don't know whether to tell you to do it or not to do it. If you know what you're doing, you've got plenty of time and plenty of money, then you can do it. Go ahead, but I've had nothing but a bloody pain in the ass since I've done it, so it's a bit hard to show you around later when it's all got all my gear in it. But that's the shower drainage part anyway. Better go and find a piece of material now to go over this, fall down the front, so when you're in the back, people in the front can't see you. So this is this pipe finished. It's a bit hard to see, but it comes out of the floor. Got a couple of bends in it, and it comes out here and will just run onto the grass. So that's where the water will go. It would have been a lot easier to let it run straight out, but then it would have probably not hurt anything, but I don't know. And then I put these bloody things on, so if it does come off, hopefully it won't just sit on the exhaust pipe and melt and stink to high heaven. But I could have just let it run out straight on the ground. It would have been fucking easier. I'm not convinced it's going to stay there anyway. I couldn't get the pipe pushed on far enough because the floor was in the road. Got to get out front of this car. Fucking